Baby, I love you. You are my life. Biggest moments. Yes. And the Flash, Alexis. Hi, Princess Alexis Galore here. I usually don't do a video like this. But you know how iPhone is, honey. They say, oh, storage too full. You gotta delete some stuff, and then they want to have your phone working crappy. So I have to go through my text messages and my phone and my pictures and delete some stuff. You know, I ran across videos and stuff of my brother, and he died. He was killed August the 19th, 2014, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You know, and that was the day that changed my life for the worse. My God. And also my family, our family isn't as close as it used to be, you know, because how you can't deal, people don't come together to mourn. They like to mourn on their own, so that kind of ripped us apart. And I don't want to hear, I don't want to see my mother cry or my sisters cry, and then I'm crying, and I just want to cry by myself. So that really just tore us apart. But and I'm just feeling so sad, and I'm starting my walk in my relationship with God, and just praying and for strength that He helped me through this. And it's just like today, it was just like, oh my God, because I try to avoid looking at His pictures, and then iPhone, I want to kick them in their freaking face for having me to go through this, and it really hurt. It's just like I want to wake up out of this nightmare. It's like this is like the worst thing ever. And I'm like, I don't want to be in my life anymore. Like, I don't want to be me anymore because it's related to this, and it's just like I gotta change me, my life. And what better than to be a drag queen? And I'm already a woman, but I want to be a transgender woman. I don't know. How does that even work? Because transgenders, they have this fabulous life. They have this I don't give a fuck attitude. And I want that. I don't give a fuck attitude. Yes, bitch. Bitches. I want that attitude. I want people to think that I'm unapproachable, scared to approach me, bitch, because I'll put you. I mean, don't get it twisted for 1 minute. I won't put a bitch or a nigga in their place, or a kid, or an old person. But I feel bad after I do it. Drag queens don't seem to feel bad after they do it. So, that's what I want to do. I want to be a transgender woman. That's a woman. I want to be fabulous all the time. I guess they fabulous all the time. I don't know if it's because they got a high they hair bumps and razor bumps and masculinity. I don't know why. But that's what I want to do. And I need help. So if you have any drag queens that do makeup and big, beautiful hair and fabulous clothes in the Milwaukee, Wisconsin area, please give me an email to help me through this journey in my life. Because, honey, Lord knows I don't have a dime either, honey, because I gave my brother my whole life savings. My whole life savings died when he died also. And the courts want to deny my claim against his estate, honey. And I got a promissory note, baby, die. But that's, I'm going to leave that in God's hand. That's material. Because I'll give my life for him. Because he was full of it. Do you hear me? He was full of life. And I would trade my life so that he could get another chance at his life. That's how much I love my brother. Because he loved life. He loved life more than anybody I know. Like, he enjoyed his life. And just for him to be taken from this life. Just being awesome, helping people. And for somebody to just think that they had a right to take him was wrong. That's a different story. So, Anybody that want to help with these eyes, this skin, with this pale nose, honey, these clothes, this hair, child, shoot me an email, honey. So I need to become a transgender female, male guru, okay, darling? Okay. Bye.